friends, in this video we are going to discuss three things, which is standard shipping rate, free shipping amount and standard delivery days. Let's directly jump in. So basically when I go into settings and go into shipping, as you can see that these things are empty or zero. How do we affect this? Let me first put in these things and then I'll show you. Let's say I put in standard shipping rate as 200 rupees. And then I can put in free shipping above, let's say 2000 rupees. And standard delivery days is 3. How this is going to affect my cart is when I go into my cart right now, you can see that this is the cart. If I refresh my cart, it's going to show me that there is free shipping above 2000 rupees. And because my order is more than 2000 rupees, it's not added any shipping amount. What I'm going to do is I'm going to remove some bits from here. Let's say I'm going to remove this and remove this and remove this. As you can see that my order has gone below 2000 rupees. So it's added this shipping of 200 rupees. Because out here we had put in free shipping above 2000 and 200 rupees is the standard shipping. So it is applied 200 rupees here. Let's say I increase the quantity out here to an amount where it goes above 2000 rupees, is going to actually show me that the shipping amount, or rather let me just do this again and do this again because my actual amount is this much. Let me further add one more item from here. And as you can see, my subtotal has become 3000, because of which my shipping has been made free. So this is how you configure standard shipping rate and shipping delivery above. Now, how is this free shipping days? This basically comes in when you actually go into the checkout. It basically shows you that the delivery by is 22nd January, and when I'm recording this video, it is 19th of January. So it is showing you by default that this is the number of days, or this is when the item would be delivered to you. Let's say I increase this to 5, and when I refresh this, it's going to show me that the delivery will be by 24th of January. So this is how you configure these three things into your checkout process. Thank you.